Zoya, come here, sweetie.
Yes, Mom?
We have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it?
We are starting a garden today.
A garden with flowers?
Yes, flowers and vegetables too.
Vegetables? Can we eat them?
Yes, we will grow our own food.
Wow, that is so cool! When do we start?
We start now. Let's go to the backyard.
Yay! I will get my shoes.
I will bring the tools.
And I have the seeds.
What are we planting?
Tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce.
I love tomatoes.
Then you will love this garden.
How does it work?
First, we dig holes in the soil.
Can I help?
Of course. Here is a small shovel.
It's my size.
Perfect. Watch me first.
Okay, I am watching.
We dig like this, not too deep.
How deep?
About this much. Look at my fingers.
Oh, I see. Can I try now?
Yes, go ahead, little gardener.
I'm digging. Look, Mom.
Great job. That looks perfect.
This is hard work.
Yes, but gardening is fun work.
My arms are tired.
Take a short break. Drink some water.
Okay, how many holes do we need?
We need about 10 holes.
10? That's a lot.
Don't worry. We work together.
Okay, I'm ready again.
That's my strong girl.
We're done. What's next?
Now we plant the seeds.
These tiny things are seeds?
Yes, they are very small now.
Will they grow big?
Yes, very big. That is the magic.
How long does it take?
Many weeks, maybe 2 months.
2 months? That is very long.
Good things need time.
I want them today.
Plants don't grow that fast.
Why not?
They need time, water, and sunlight.
Like we need food?
Yes, plants need food too.
What do plants eat?
They eat food from the soil.
From the dirt?
Yes, the soil has good nutrients.
What are nutrients?
They are like vitamins for plants.
Oh, I understand now.
Let's put the seeds in the holes.
How many seeds in each hole?
Just 2 or 3 seeds.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now cover them gently.
With the dirt?
Yes, with a little soil.
I'm being very gentle.
Good. Seeds are very delicate.
Are they sleeping now?
Yes, in a way.
When will they wake up?
In about 1 week.
A whole week?
Yes, we need to be patient.
Patient means waiting?
Yes, waiting calmly.
That is hard for me.
You can do it. I believe in you.
What do we do now?
Now we water the seeds.
Can I hold the watering can?
It might be heavy.
I am strong. Look.
Okay, but I will help you.
How much water do the plants need?
Not too much, just a little.
Like this?
Perfect. The soil looks good.
It's all wet now.
Yes, that is just right.
Do we water them every day?
Yes, every day.
Can that be my job?
Really? You want that job?
Yes, I will be the water girl.
That is a big responsibility.
I can do it.
Okay, it is your job now.
I will remember. I promise.
We will remind you. Don't worry.
How will I know they are growing?
We will check every day.
Together?
Yes, as a family.
I can't wait! Mom! Dad! Come quickly!
What's wrong?
Green things! Tiny green things!
Oh my, the seeds sprouted.
Sprouted? What does that mean?
It means the plants started to grow.
Really? Are they growing?
Yes, look at these little green shoots.
They are so tiny and cute!
This is your tomato plant.
My tomato? Already?
Yes, but it is just a baby plant.
Can I touch it?
Yes, very gently. It is delicate.
It feels so soft.
You did a great job watering.
I watered it every day!
We are very proud of you.
When will we see tomatoes?
Not yet. It needs more time.
How much more time?
Maybe 6 more weeks?
6 weeks? That is so long!
But look how much it changed in 1 week.
I will keep watering every day.
That's our good girl.
Mom! Dad! Come now!
What is it?
Red! I see red!
Where?
On the plant! A red tomato!
Oh my goodness, it is ripe.
Ripe? What does that mean?
It means ready to eat.
Can we pick it?
Yes, you should pick it.
Me? Really?
Yes, you grew it. You pick it.
How do I pick it?
Hold it gently and twist it.
Like this?
Perfect. Now pull gently.
I did it! My first tomato!
We are so proud of you.
It is so pretty and red!
Smell it.
It smells so good!
That is the smell of a fresh tomato.
Can we eat it now?
Yes, let's go inside.
I can't believe I grew this!
You watered it every day.
And I waited patiently.
And now you have your reward.
Let's wash it first.
The water makes it shiny.
Now, let's cut it.
Look inside. It is so red.
Try a piece.
Okay, here I go.
How is it?
Wow, it is sweet and juicy.
Is it better than store tomatoes?
Yes, much better.
That is because it is fresh.
And because I grew it myself.
That makes it taste even better.
Can we grow more plants?
What do you want to grow?
Strawberries and cucumbers.
Yes, we can plant those next.
When?
Next month.
I I will water those too.
You are a real gardener now.
I love gardening.
And gardening loves you.
Thank you for the garden, Mom and Dad.
Thank you for taking care of it.
This was the best project ever.
Do you want to pick another tomato tomorrow?
Yes, more tomatoes are growing.
Our garden is full of food now.
Food we grill ourselves.
Yes, as a family.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
We can't wait either, sweetie.
Tomorrow, I will water the garden again.
Every day, no matter the weather.
That is my promise.
And you always keep your promises.
Always.